Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum has failed to really provide a healthy fifth wave yesterday, so I've marked a 5-wave move there with a question mark. It could very well be that we are still forming a 4th wave here, or that this is only like a 3-wave move up. It's, bottom line is, it's not a very clean or very clear 5-wave pattern to the upside here on the Ethereum chart. Which is why I think, we just need to be on the side of caution. It's not a great setup. However, we've had a rally which looks somewhat complete. So it could be an A wave in 3 waves or a questionable 5-wave move. Or it might even be a wave 1, which would be more bullish. But again, that's questionable. So I would first of all, for risk management purposes, watch only for a C wave rally. But that doesn't give us any, it hasn't really given us any clear signals that it started, right? But still, this is the support area from where it should start. It's located between 2,354 to 2,414 USD. And if we see an uptick of momentum here, specifically breaking above the last highs, for example, this one here at 2,457 could be an indication that the next, let's say the next wave up has started, because if the next move up is a 3rd wave, it should be impulsive. If the next move up is a C wave, it ideally should be an impulse as well, but it could be another diagonal pattern, but nevertheless, it should turn into a 5-wave move. So for example, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be a reasonable, that would be a reasonable structure to watch for. And obviously then here, this move up would also be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we see these first 5 waves, then wave 2 in yellow could be, let's say, an opportunity for pullback traders to jump on board for a 3rd wave of either wave 3 in white or wave C in yellow in this B wave. Now, how does the yellow count fit into the bigger picture? Yellow count could be a triangle pattern that we're tracking here actually on the 1-hour time frame. So the idea would be in the triangle that a larger A wave bottomed on the 5th of August. The B wave is now in the works as a triangle, and this could be an A wave, this could be a B wave, this could be a C wave, this could be a D wave. They're all 3-wave movements, and therefore I'm watching, or at least I keep an eye open for the to watch for the E wave, which is also an ABC structure, and it should stay below the 2,735 level, at least if this is a triangle. Okay, so somewhere between the support area and 2,735, this E wave of the triangle should actually complete. Now, if it goes higher, and that's what often happens with these triangles because they are not reliable, okay, they morph often, they change often, then it's likely just some kind of a WXY pattern, which is also possible. So it is important when we track this move up to have the right expectations to understand that it could easily go higher. If it's doing that, then we might just be doing, we might just be working on like a, W, X, and then the Y wave up, which would be an A, B, C structure itself. But that's pretty much where the white count should lead us, right? The white count would then be part of a C wave rally, for example, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which could send us higher. Okay, so these are the 2 potentials. Which one it is will only be seen later. Depends on if the price can, for example, hold a higher low in wave 4 at some point. But at the moment, in the short term, it doesn't really matter if it's the yellow count or the white count, because we can watch for higher as long as this upper micro support area is holding between 2,354 and 2,414. And again, I'm just watching for the first signals of upside momentum. Can still go a little bit lower. And if we go to the 30-minute chart again, microstructure is really, really difficult to read here at the moment. It certainly somehow looks corrective because we have all these overlapping structures here. So yeah, but that's what I'm watching for at the moment. Support level should be clear, and any break above yesterday's high here at 2,520 should indicate we're on the next wave up. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.